Compact tractors are often equipped with front and rear counterweights. These counterweights are used to help balance and steady the tractor, especially when the tractor is carrying heavy tools such as loaders or backhoes. It is very important that the correct counterweights are used. There are several reasons why it is important to use the right counterweights. One of the most important reasons is to help keep the tractor from tipping over. Another reason is that the correct counterweights will help distribute the load more evenly. This will, in turn, help the tractor be more stable and easier to control, and, as a result, more safe and efficient to operate. What can happen if the weights are not installed properly? The counterweights must be properly installed and kept attached. I should also be checked periodically to see if it is worn or otherwise damaged, and if it is, it must be replaced. Proper installation will help prevent the counterweights from working loose and will prevent injuries. It will also help prevent accidents and will help the tractor work better and be more productive. Can having the wrong weight distribution cause problems? You bet. It's very important to get the weight distributed properly. You should get a copy of the tractor's manual and follow the recommendations for weight distribution. If the tractor is overloaded, it can either damage the tractor or it will be unstable. Proper weight distribution will help the tractor to work better, and it will help keep the tractor more stable. It will also help prevent the tractor from being damaged and help keep the tractor more stable on different terrains. So, here you are. You have yourself a tractor and you are going to use it for landscaping. What do? Well, let's suppose you have a tractor and you have a front loader and also a rear tiller. You see, what you would want to do is to weight the rear of the tractor so that when you have a load in the bucket of the loader, that the front of the tractor doesn't lift up. And when you have a tiller on the back of the tractor, you would want to weight the front of the tractor so that the front wheels don't come up. This makes the tractor much easier to control. Using the right weights for each job will make the tractor much more stable and easier to control. It will make the work you are doing much easier, faster and safer for the operator.